Good morning, friends, viewers, fellow fishermen, anglers. It is 5:45 in the morning. I am just getting my smoothie going, waiting on my buddy Mike to get over here. We're gonna hop in the car. We're headed to Seabrook today. Got a lot of different fish over there. They got like reds, tilapia, carp, bass, black drum. I mean, all different kinds of stuff. So we're gonna do a species day today. We're gonna see how many we can get over on Seabrook. I'm gonna knock out this smoothie, pack up the car, and we're getting on there. Thanks so much for joining us this morning. Let's see what we can do. All right, had to do a little reset. Going to hit this pond that looked juicy. Gotten a fish out of it before if I'm at the right place. Not 100% sure that I am, but I think so. So yeah, we're waiting on Chris here. Let's see if we can get some fish. In the meantime. All right. This is where it goes down if I recall. Starting out with that little olive. It's almost a memberberry. The rabbit's anchor on it. Oh my God, there's two right there. Just cruised right in front of me. Oh my goodness. I think he ate it, but I couldn't. I couldn't do anything because he was right in front of me. Dude, I just had two nice ones cruise right in front of me and I couldn't do anything about it. Okay, we're at the next spot, Bass Pond. Hopefully gonna get some topwater action. Bass eating poppers, tilapias, carps, alligators, anything and everything. Or just something. Because we haven't got anything yet, so fingers crossed. Got him. Got him. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, I waited forever for this thing. Hey Mike, will you bring me that net over there, buddy? Oh, how am I even? What's the... Oh, I'm in such bad spot. I didn't think about this at all. What's up? Bring him over towards the other one. Yeah, yes. 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 I agree with what you're saying. Come here. Hey. No. Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's a nice fish.
All right, look out! I gotta back out of here in like the craziest way. Get to like somewhere I could actually do something. Ha! 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 That's a stud. Ha! Yeah. Woo! Ready? Yeah. Woo! Fat boy. All right, day has started. Finally. Man, there's two of them sitting right there. You working it fast? Just kind of normal. Standard fish swimming speed. Roger. All right. We've made the change. Marvelous. See if this works. There we go. There's a carp just came up, slurped it right under the turtle. Yeah. Or it was a fish of some sort. Fish show. I'm gonna trick one. I'm gonna fool it and put it right in his mouth hole. Yes, exactly. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let him run. That's a big carp, buddy. Holy Toledo. Okay. That's a little too much. Just gonna back that down a little. I mean, he's just not going anywhere.
That's amazing.
Dude. My biggest ever.